Morning friends, Russell here coming to you from the shop once again. What I got going on today is another common problem we see with these 986 Boxsters as well as the 996 Carreras. The early version cup holders on these vehicles have a tendency to essentially break, won't stay in anymore. The way this cup holder is supposed to work, pops open, stays closed. So what we're going to do today is replace this cup holder. I'm going to shoot film for the whole thing. It's a really simple process to do. If you're looking to do this in your vehicle, the part number is 996-552-18301. I'll put a link to it in the bottom. Same part used in an Audi and Volkswagen as well. Some of the A4s and I can't remember which Volkswagen it is, but I've seen it. And we used to buy the Audi part because it was cheaper. Now the Porsche part's cheaper. Don't know why. It's just we'll chase the part price sometimes. But anyway, I'm going to zoom the camera down closer to the actual work, and we'll get started here. Like I said, not a hard job to do. First thing you've got to do, there's a plastic trim around a bezel around the two cup holders, and you have to kind of pop it open. Doesn't take much force. All right, and then the whole assembly comes out as one. So both cup holders come out. As part of one assembly. There's 4 Phillips head screws holding the cup holder assembly in. You also have to kind of pop out the switch panels on either side. There we go. And then the whole assembly just slides out. Now as far as replacing the actual cup holder, kind of slips out. Just kind of work it out. Broke cup holders out. We'll grab our new one. You kind of flip it in. Oh, I'm upside down. You kind of flip it in there. And then slides forward and locks in place. I say that, but don't want to do it. There we go. Cup holder works. And the left one works. So we just slide it back in. And there's 2 locating slots on either side that have to line up to slide it in. Put the 4 screws back in. And as with anything when doing interior work, just be careful running these screws back in. It's a metal screw into a plastic tab, so you don't want to over tighten them and crack anything. Snap the switch housings back into place, make sure they're good and firm. And then the trim panel goes back in. And yes, the trim panel can only go in one way. The tabs are set out. And that's it. It's that simple to replace these cup holders. One of the things with the 986 and the 996 is that the radio cup holder, CD holder, the HVAC panel or the AC panel, all the wiring for the electric stuff and that, the wires are long enough, so a lot of these things can be moved around. There's aftermarket and factory, just plain slot, empty slot panels to put your phone and stuff in. So I know many people have removed broken cup holders, so you just put the empty, basically an empty cubby in there. Same thing with the CD holders, and on some of the older ones, they actually had cassette holders. You can remove those out, just put the cubby in, or put the cup holders in if you like. Personally, me, I don't like these cup holders. I don't like any of the cup holders in any of the Porsches because, well, they kind of suck, and they're kind of expensive to replace. But for a car that I'm preparing to sell, it came equipped with the cup holders. I'm gonna get cup holders to put in it. That's just the right thing to do. Like I said, very simple job to do. Pop the panel, pull the 4 screws, get the whole assembly out, work out the broken cup holder, insert the new cup holder, put the whole assembly back into the trim panel, and it's done. Once again, if you like this content, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for notifications of future videos, and as always, there's more to follow.